So let's see a new problem, longest substring without repeating characters. So we have a simple string ABC, ABC, BB. So if you'll see here, if we want to find a longest substring, you will see there's a chance of ABC. Okay, there would be one more chance BC, yeah, BCA. Then there is a chance CAB. There is a chance of BCB. Okay, but all are length of 3. That's why you will see with ABC with the length of 3 only. In case of second example, BBB 5 times B, right? The answer would be only 1, right? You cannot have, if you take BB also, that will be repeating. That will not be unique. So the answer is B only. The length of the unique set of string is 1. PWW, similarly, it will have a length of 3. Okay, so now let's see the explanation. So we have A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and B. Okay. Now, I equals to index. So, index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Position will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, position nothing but first, second, third, fourth, like that. And here we'll take a starting position. So where we are, from where we are taking the string, substring, right? So initially it is 0 and length will be, or longest you can take. So longest will be initially 0 also, right? Now we'll create a map. And inside this map, we'll store the occurrences. Okay. So now here we'll run a for loop. Initially we'll come to this element A. Here we'll check whether this value is there in the map. No, it is not there. If it is not there, add the element along with its position. So what is the value? A, and what is the position? Position is this one. So position is 1. That is first position. Okay. So now start is also from here. Now longest we'll see here. So longest logic we'll take is current index, which is this one, minus, I mean from here, okay, starting, which is starting, the same one, okay, plus 1. That means it will become I0. So this will become 0 minus starting 0 plus 1, which is 1. So the longest would be, as of now, is 1. That is A only. So this is our, as of now, this is our longest substring. Okay. Now the loop will run through. So it will come to this index. So here starting will be as it is, 0, because there is no repetition here. So the starting will be as it is. So our substring will be like this, A included B also. And your longest will be same formula, I minus st. So I is 1. So 1 minus starting 0 plus 1, that becomes 2. Okay. So now our longest is 2. Initially it was here 1 and it has become 2 now. Similarly, we will not forget to store it here. It will be stored with its position B equals to 2. You can see here. Now C comes into picture. Your starting remains same. Your substring becomes ABC. Okay. Here your longest will be same formula. Your current index 2 minus your starting, which is 0, plus 1, which is then 3. Now this is your longest. 3 is your longest. Similarly, don't forget to put it here inside the map with its position C equals to 3. Now A, here it will see, okay, A is already there. So we cannot put the duplicate value, right? So what will happen? Your starting position will change. So your starting position will become this one. Okay, this position. So you will see whether, we'll compare whether your starting position, which is 0, is greater than your current position, okay, which is 1. 0 greater than 1? No. Then it will take the first as a starting position. So your new starting position will become 1. Okay, so we'll no more take this from here, we'll take it from here only. So from here we'll take it up to this. Okay, so BCA is a new substring, and the length as usual formula, which is 3 minus your starting position, which is now 1 plus 1, which becomes 3 again, which is, so no need to worry, it should be 3 only. Now as A, it has changed its position, so new position will be updated. This will be 4, the position of new position of A. Now B will come into picture. Now as B has come into picture, your starting position will change to 2, right? Earlier it was here 1, right? It will change to here. So new substring will be considered from here only. So your starting will change to 2 as per formula. 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is 3. Same length, right? No need to update. Now you will update the B next position. So B's next position is 5. Now C. Okay. So now C is having 3 here, and your current starting is 2. So your starting index will update to 3. So this will become 3 again. So your longest will change, 5 minus 3 plus 1, but the result remains same, 3. So no need to update. But C's position will be changed. It will become 6. Now comes B. Okay. Now if we'll see here, we will see what is our current starting position. Our current starting position is 3, right? And B's position is 5. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to update this. So your new current starting position will become 5. So it will jump from here to here. So now it will be started here, right? So here you will see. So what is the gap accordingly? Your 6 minus your starting position is 5 plus 1. That is becoming 6 minus 5, 1, 1, 2. So 2. 2 is less than 3. So no need to update. This is not longest. Let's reject it. Then B's position will be updated. It will become 7. Again one more B came, right? So this is the starting position will become 7 now, because 2B you cannot take, right? So only this. So let's calculate 7 minus your 7 plus 1. That is becoming 1, which is pretty much smaller than 3, right? Longest is already has reached 3, right? Rejected. So now if you'll see, your longest is 3 only. Okay. So this is how you need to find out the longest substring, and that to be unique. Now let's write the same logic here. So what we'll do is, as we have discussed, we'll take a map. Let's take the map. Constant map equals to new map. Okay. Next, we will take start index. So let's start st index equals to, initially it is 0. Okay. Let's take longest. Longest equals to 0. Simple. Now we'll iterate through the string. For let I equals to 0, I is less than s dot length, I plus plus. Now here we need to find out whether the element is there inside the map or not. So for that reason we'll utilize a map function. So let's current position equals to map dot get. If it is there, then only we'll take. Okay, map of get of s of I. Okay, simple. Now if the current position is there, that means if it is greater than 0, okay, that means it is there, then only we'll consider. So if it is greater than 0, then we'll set our start index. Okay, so let's set our start index. St index equals to, if our start index which is existing is there, is greater than your current value. Okay, current position. Okay, we have seen that in explanation. If start index is greater than your current position, then take the start index. Okay, otherwise put the current position and update the start index. Okay, so this is the logic we are using in the ternary. Pretty simple. Okay, now gap equals to I minus start index plus 1. Okay, clean. Now we need to see whether our current gap we found. Okay, now our gap is greater than your longest or not. So that we need to check. So longest equals to, if longest is greater than the gap, then take longest. That means reject the gap. Okay, or update the longest to the gap value. Okay, so this is the logic. Now as we know, for every single iteration we will be updating our map, right? So map dot set here as of I, then as we are going to take the positions as discussed, not the index, I plus 1. So this is how you will write it. So let's run it. Yes, all cases passed. Let's submit. 95%. Okay, you got a 95 point, but it's 95.95. Time complexity is big of n because you are using only one loop and doing a single one by one iteration, like a simple for loop is running. That's why it is big of n.